Thank you for choosing MyHealthChecked. This video will explain how to collect your sample and perform your sperm concentration rapid test. Before you start, check you have all the components listed on the packaging: the test cassette, the collection cup, the semen transfer device, the sample dilution buffer, and the instruction for use leaflet, which must be used in conjunction with this video. Read the precautions and testing process sections on the instructions for use leaflet included in your kit, and ensure you have allowed sufficient time to perform your test. You must have refrained from ejaculation for 3 to 7 days before collecting your sample to ensure an accurate determination of sperm concentration. You are now ready to collect your sample. Taking care not to contaminate the sample with your hands, tissues, or other materials, collect a sample of your semen in the collection cup provided. Leave your sample to stand for 1 hour at room temperature until the semen liquefies. Performing the test. Open the foil pouch and remove the test cassette. Using the semen transfer device provided, draw up your sample until you reach the 0.1 milliliter line on the side of the syringe. Remove the cap of the sample dilution buffer and add the sample from the syringe into the buffer vial. Place the cap back on the buffer vial and turn the vial upside down 5 to 10 times to mix. Remove the cap off the vial and add 2 full drops into the specimen well, marked S on your cassette. Avoid trapping air bubbles in the specimen well. Once 5 minutes has passed, read your results. Do not interpret your results after 10 minutes. Please consult the IFU for instructions on reading your results. For more tips and advice on how to manage your test results, please head to www.myhealthchecked.com.